Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Peugeot, sorry. Welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Now we have a Peugeot Partner diesel van on a 60 plate. We're gonna show you how to check your levels, but before we do that, we're gonna tell you how to open it. Inside your vehicle in that corner there, if you open the door, there's a handle there. You pull that will release your bonnet catch. Yeah, bonnet catch goes over that way, see, to release the bonnet. So you got to get your hand underneath there, pull that over, lift your bonnet. I think our bonnet stays broken off, so I've just tucked it there for now. And where we store it away is just up on there, okay? Anyway, let's start with our dipstick. Our dipstick is missing. There's a piece of paper in there. Don't ask me why, don't ask me how, don't ask me who, where, or when. Anyway, that's missing, right? Next, we come over here, we have our screen wash. That's where our screen wash goes. So again, we've topped that up with screen wash mixed with water, or just pour water in it. It's only going to clean the screen. Next to that, we have our power steering. Now, let me unscrew this and just see what we have inside of there. Can't even move it. There we go. No dipstick. So I imagine you'll just look in there, see your oil level. Okay? It's got this steering on it, so we know it's power steering. Next to that, we have our expansion tank where we top up our levels. I can't see very clearly on there, but on there you should have a marking that gives you roughly the level of your coolant. Where it's looking now, to me, it looks perfectly fine. Do not open these if they're hot. Let it cool down and then open it. Your engine oil, you take your cap off there. I'm not going to touch that because that looks fairly minging. Yeah, so that's how you top your engine oil up. You just turn the cap, lift it off, and check your oil. Sorry, top up your oil. These are what you call your injectors. We're not going to go into that. We're just showing you how to check your basic level. Over here we have our brake fluid reservoir. I say this every time I do these videos. Your brake fluid should not be going down. If it is going down, you need to check your brake pads. They could be wearing away. Yeah, as they wear, your level drop. As you put them in and push it back, the level rises. It should not leak. And on that note, I'm just going to shut the bonnet and see if I can show you how to change your wiper blades. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I'm back, and your wiper blade, because I'm only working with one hand and I can't do certain things, I'm just gonna try, oh my gosh, try and get this thing in focus. Right, on the top of your wiper arm, there's a square just there. I think you can see it. What you do, you press that in, as I've done here, and while you press it in, you slide your wiper blade forward in that direction and it'll pop out. And if you slide it back the other way, it should lock back in. So you just press that in basically, see? And slide forward that way. Put it back in, slide it back the other way, and that's how you replace your wiper blade. I hope that video came out alright. Because of the color of the vehicle, I think, on the light, it just keeps going out of focus. Yeah, there's your square button. You press in to remove your wiper blade. Press that in, slide your arm forward, your wiper blade will come out. Slide it back in, it locks back in the square, and that's it, job done. Okay, see you later.